Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, July 12, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the XRP to Tether at zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart, and this is what's happened during the last few days of the trading. The first thing is that we got a new low. The new low, which is located at the level of 0.39, which means that this previous low from the 2024 has been violated. It was 0.4234. So right now we got this very nice movement to the downside, and of course this is a hammer. This is a hammer which originally kind of warns traders that the trend, the prevailing trend, might be terminated. So we got very nice candlestick pattern here, then we have the bounce, fade, and now more sustained bounce. So the bulls are trying to move higher. Where is the target for the bulls? Before we get to the indicators, let me just make some levels. Where is the target for the bulls? The obvious one is here, 0.46. so that's the technical resistance, and this is where the bulls might be heading to, and any breakout above this level opens the road even higher. So we got this kind of a strong let's say supply zone here. There you go, between 0.46 and 0.47 exactly. So let me just mark it as a big blue arrow, so you know, guys, that this is very important zone. So we need a breakout. We need a breakout back above the supply zone in order to continue to move higher. Now, if we break, where is the next target? Obviously here, 0.48, which is the nearest last swing high. And then of course we can even go higher, back to above the 0.5 towards 0.56 and 57. Nevertheless, if we mark this level here as the local technical support, we need to know that because we got the series, let me just zoom out, we got the series of the lower highs, as you can see here, and eventually lower lows, which is obvious. That means that the prevailing trend is still very strong, and its direction is to the downside. So in order to let's say terminate this trend and reverse, which is quite hard to do, the bulls needs to break above the demand zone, supply zone, back above 0.48 and get back on feet above 0.5 and 0.54. So please notice that we need a strong momentum and a sentiment change on XRP in order to achieve this. If we get RSI indicator and if we apply it to our chart, you can see that this recent movement to the downside was made on extremely oversold conditions on a daily time frame chart, and now we have a bounce higher. Of course, we are still waiting for this market to move above the level of 50, right, which is the technical level on RSI that separates the negative from the positive sentiment. But this market, since let's say the first breakout was roughly around in the middle of the March, right, and then we've been trading below the level of the 50 for months, occasionally moving above the level of 50 towards the positive zone. Nevertheless, it was always pushed lower. Every single time there was a spike, it was faded, both on chart and on the momentum. So it might not be that easy to break above this strong zone here, the strong supply zone here. And even if we make it, please notice the situation, because if this is only occasional breakout above the level of 50, it might reverse very, very quickly, just as it did before. However, if the breakout would sustain, that's a completely different situation here for our market, for the XRP, because that would mean the market might be ready to move somewhere higher, as I said, towards the level of 0.5 0.54 or even higher. The main technical resistance level you possibly spotted already is somewhere around this here, 0.56, 0.57. This is the main technical resistance, very important. And without breakout above this level, we cannot say that the uptrend is back to the XRP. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.